everyone, I'm Kasia Rosinska, coordinator of REL Mid-Atlantic's Longitudinal Data Use Research Alliance, or ELDURA for short. Nancy Smith, our ELDURA content expert, joins me here today to talk about how the REL is supporting your efforts to improve data collection, synthesis, and analysis. Welcome, Nancy.
Thank you, Kasia. I'm glad to be here. Much of the support we give to stakeholders in the Mid-Atlantic region on this topic comes via ELDURA. In the beginning, we wanted to help members learn about effective uses of longitudinal data, since these data systems were relatively new and most organizations weren't used to longitudinal analyses. Over time, though, ELDURA members also expressed a need to learn about establishing key data system management processes, such as protecting data privacy, developing data access and use rules, and gathering user feedback to improve reports and data visualizations.
ELDURA members each play a critical role in ensuring that data in the district and state systems help policymakers and practitioners improve student achievement. Members include data coordinators at local education agencies, representatives from state departments of education, those working with P20W data systems, as well as representatives of higher education. These stakeholders come together to review, discuss, and disseminate information about effective system design and innovative uses of longitudinal data.
With its deep cadre of data system and analytical experts, REL Mid-Atlantic is strongly positioned to help ELDURA members achieve these goals. So let's look at a few examples. When the Maryland Longitudinal Data Systems Center was in the process of establishing data reporting standards to guide their work, the center reached out to us for help with the process review. The center's governing board required that these standards be in place before any web-based data dashboards could be published. We were able to give timely feedback and guidance. We also asked the center to share its standards at an ELDURA meeting so that other states could offer feedback and consider whether developing similar standards might help improve their own data reporting processes. The REL also provides other types of technical assistance. For example, we worked closely with the Pottstown School District in Pennsylvania to create online data instruments to make it easier to assess and report on multiple sources of early childhood data. This helped the school district's evaluation team collect and analyze the data more efficiently. We used familiar resources like Google Forms and Microsoft Excel to develop the instruments. We hope you will take a look at the Resource Hub in this newsletter for links to these resources. They're all available at no cost. I would also encourage you to look at the webinar titled Creating and Using Automated Data Dashboards in the Resource Hub. This webinar helps educators build their own data dashboard using Microsoft Word and Excel to automate reports, which is definitely a big time saver. You may also want to check out our archived webinar titled Database and Data Quality Concepts from Input to Use.
And let's not forget, later this year, we'll be co-sponsoring 3 data summits, one in Pennsylvania, one in Maryland, and one in the District of Columbia. At these summits, you'll hear from experts about how to use quality data to evaluate school performance, predict student outcomes, and encourage informed teaching. I hope you'll be able to attend. Please take a look at our website for more information and send us your questions and comments. You can write to me or Nancy or visit the ELDURA webpage on the REL Mid-Atlantic website.